Don't they like me?
Russian troops crossed the border into Manchuria. Well, that was the final.
U.S. will drop atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, causing unprecedented destruction.
Americans during World War II, we were on the side of the angels, and I won't dispute that. But we were really used the tools of the devil.
Everybody's gonna be crawling around me. You want the milk? You want it? Oh, I'm teasing you, huh? I'm teasing you, huh? No? Yeah. You want some? You know the bottle? Do you know that bottle? Who wants the bottle? Her mama, she just here, man. What are you doing, man?
20 years old, flying in B-25. What could be better? Wonderful. Exciting to fly in. If we made it back. More than 21,000 B-25 crewmen during the Second World War. Almost 10,000 B-25s were built for 1945 when production stopped. Almost twice as many as the B-26, the other prominent medium bomber. The B-25 was, without a doubt, one of the top two, if not the top, medium bombardment designed airplane in World War II. The twin-engine B-25 network was the delivery system for a wide range of significant innovations.
There's Grandma.